All right, I'm at the 50-yard range today. I wanted to shoot this day at the range and Hi-Lux target again. This time though, I brought my iron sight rifle. So let's see how it does. It's a 1949 Winchester Model 52B, and this rifle, I've always had it set up with iron sights. It shoots really well that way. I've never had a scope on it. It does have blocks for a scope there on the barrel. I don't know how this is going to go, so let's get started, I guess. I'll shoot that cider target on the upper left. It's kind of an oddball shape. I'm used to shooting round bullseyes. That's kind of like a figure 8, but we'll see how it does. Saw Mike shoot it the other day. He did pretty good with his iron sight rifle. Trying to get used to the sight picture there for that figure 8. It's a lot easier when you're just aiming at a circle, but giving it my best shot, I guess. Surprised Nibs hasn't tried this. Okay, I only have 3 magazines, so I need to load up one of them. Running SK Standard Plus ammo. Found it the other day for a decent deal. Managed to keep all of those in the scoring ring, I believe. There's a fly tempting me. If I had my scope rifle, I'd probably shoot at it. But this is iron sights. I won't even be able to see him. Okay, let's move it to the target on the right, the upper right. This target's going to be for score, for group size. So hope we can keep the group small. Shooting right-handed, so I'm out of the white scoring ring there. Like I say, that's kind of an unusual shape. Group's not looking bad though. One more shot, I believe. So what I need to do on my next group is adjust my point of aim up a little bit. As far as the group size, that's looking pretty good though. Okay, let's shoot at the target right below that one. I'll try to hold a little higher on this next target. That's asking for a lot on a target like this though. There we go. That's what I was looking for. I think that hit right up there in that cluster. My shot marker system's not working very good on this thing, so gonna have to bear with me on that. There we go. Got another one in there. Okay, that was the last shot for that group, and I believe that was high and to the left. Okay. Okay, last target. Try to do a little better on this last target. Lower left. Shooting right-handed, which is a weak side for me. Mainly because my left eye isn't very good. So I choose to shoot right-handed anytime I shoot iron sights. That might be to the right there. Okay. Put it in there. That's good. Right next to the other one. Yeah, I didn't know how this ammo was going to do in this rifle. This rifle, though, it's generally not picky at all with the ammo you feed it. Eyes are getting a little blurry on that last shot. Looks like I kept it in there though. See, I have one more shot to go. That one felt a little high. Not sure though. Okay. Well, that last group wasn't bad. Didn't keep them in the white circle. But just for fun, let's see what kind of groups I shot here. Okay, those are all showing 5 shots now. I believe they're correct. Okay, so group average is probably about 0.69, I would say. But, I mean, I kept them all in the big black bullseye, I guess. Not a great showing, but it was fun. I'll show you guys the rifle and the range. I have it on a front rest. There's the original rear sight blocks, front sight. Shooting the SK standard ammo. Here's the other side of the rifle. And the 50-yard range. Thanks for watching.